Hello, my dear students. Greetings from the Principal's Office on National Education Day. Today, November 11th, it is celebrated as the National Education Day in memory of the first Education Minister, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, in the Ministry of Jawaharlal Nehru. And we are celebrating National Education Day on the birth anniversary of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. This day is being celebrated to give proper awareness about education and literacy. If we could have a normal school life, we could celebrate in many different ways with different competitions, debates, symposium or some other meetings. But now all of you are sitting at home because of the pandemic. But I would like you guys to know the importance of this day. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad contributed a lot to the Indian educational field. He always used to say, education imparted by heart can bring revolution in the society. There should be a feeling also to be associated with the education. And when we are studying in a big school, we should think about the needy people of the society. There are so many other poor students who would like to get good education. They have that ambition, but their circumstances do not allow them to have that. So it's our moral responsibility to help those people in whatever way possible. Along with that, we have to make use of the facilities which are available to us. On the National Education Day, we have to think about how an educational institution can improve in quality and give better education to the children in and around. And he used to say that education should build the capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial and moral leadership among students and become their role model. So I am trying to pass this message to all of you. On this National Education Day, you think about the different methods by which you are getting good education. Of course, there is a big sacrifice from your parents' side. They are giving you all the facilities. And when you are getting all these good facilities, you have to utilize it properly. As children, you need not think about anything else. You have only one goal, that is to acquire good knowledge and to become whole good persons. In order to develop into a wholesome personality, you need lot of other activities also. That's why we are having lot of co-curricular activities also at school. When you are getting involved in all those activities, it helps you to develop your personality. So finally, the reward which you have to give to the parents is to make use of your education well and get a very good result in the examination. Along with that, you should become a good human being too. So when you are focusing on your education, please remember that always you aim at the highest possible. And if you want to succeed in any mission, it's very important that you should have a single-minded devotion to your goal. There will be so many things happening in and around, but you should not get diverted. You should have a consistent hardworking method, and you should devote your 100% into your studies. Then you will be able to achieve your goal. The devotion which you have to what you are doing, that will decide your success. So think about the society, think about the sacrifice given by your parents, and then think about in which all ways you will be able to be grateful to all these. To be grateful or to be thankful in life is one of the good virtues a human being should have. You have to be grateful to what you are getting. When you are studying in a school, you have to be grateful to the school, you have to be grateful to the management, teachers, and to the fellow beings. And you should always remember that every individual has a right to an education that will enable him to develop his faculties and live a full human life. So even the poor people of the society, they have to get proper education. And when you think about the needy people only, you can understand about your blessings. And you will become more obliged to it. So I think all my students are utilizing all these facilities well. Even when the school is closed, you are getting very good education, you are getting online classes, you are getting offline videos. And in the higher classes, almost all the portions are over. In particular, in classes 10 and 12, portions are over. You have to have proper revision. You should be solving different question papers, and you should equip yourself well for the board examination. I would like to wish all the very best to all my students on this National Education Day 2020, remembering our first Education Minister Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad and his thoughts. Let's also get inspired. Have a very good day. Thank you. Hello, my dear students.